I couldn't sit for long periods of times. I couldn't stand.
Breathe out, breathe out.
Ooh,
You heard that, right?
I heard that.
So we got Richard here today. So Richard came in August, right? So what was the reason you came in the first time?
Well, I came in, I had mid back pain along my spine. I had lower left hip pain, very bad. I couldn't sit for long periods of times. I couldn't stand. And I basically couldn't bear the pain anymore.
So when he came in, we adjusted you, right?
Yeah.
So one thing we couldn't do is this table, which is a manual spinal decompression. So when we adjusted you, how did you feel after the
I
adjustment?
felt amazing. I felt a whole bunch of relief.
He was looking for a relief, but the main relief he needed is taking some weight off.
Yeah.
So so since I saw you last time, what was done?
Well, I had a gastric bypass, the sleeve surgery, and I did that in September 16th, and I was 367 pounds, and now I'm almost out the 300 range. I almost lost about 60 pounds.
Amazing, and that's exactly what I told him. Your cure is really losing a lot of weight.
Mm-hmm.
So and that's what you did. So from here, chiropractically, what I can do is really support that, right? Misalignments and stuff like that. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do full spinal adjustment again to give you more relief, and we're gonna do what's called manual spinal decompression. And the spinal misalignments as well. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Too much? No?
No.
Can you handle it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, put your legs down. The pain that you had, where in your life it was interfering the most?
What do you mean?
Like, was it interfering with walking, sitting,
Oh yeah,
standing?
walking, everything. Walking, sitting, standing, even stopped me from sleeping. I couldn't get a good night's sleep.
Okay, how's your sleep been since?
Better. All the time better.
Amazing. I'm very happy for you, man. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Now, second. Okay, so we're gonna do a decompression adjustment. I want you to completely relax. You're gonna clench your teeth together. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out.
Ooh,
You heard that, right?
I heard that.
Tell me what you feel.
My entire spine, I felt it this time.
All the way down?
Yeah,
Beautiful.
to my tailbone.
To the tailbone.
Yeah,
How did it feel?
100 times better than that I told you.
Yeah.
It's not there anymore.
Okay, let's see. Let's adjust the neck. Relax. Let her go. That was loud.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see this.
Wow.
Okay, let's adjust your ankles. Relax. Let her go. Nice. Okay. All right, when the table goes down, you're gonna turn on your side, left side, and then you're gonna pull yourself up. Go ahead. And we're gonna go on the other table. Let's go. Your knees. Deep, deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe out. Not so much. Turn on your back. Okay, slide down more. That's it. Keep your knees bent. Keep your knees bent. Give yourself a hug. Hug yourself. You remember this?
Yeah.
Okay, let it go. Let it go. There you go. One more. Good. How did that feel?
Good.
Good? Okay, we're gonna try to do side posture.
Okay.
Just how good. Okay, lie on your side. Okay. Straight leg. Straight. That's it. Let me have this arm. This is over here, like this. Let it go. Wow, it's so much easier to adjust it today. Ooh. Ooh, man, much better today.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, let's go this way. All right, let it go. Really, really relax. Let's see. Wow. Ooh, definitely move.
You got a lot more cracks this time.
Definitely. Have a seat. Face the TV. Sit straight. That's it. Let me have this. Let it go. Good. This one. Let it go. Nice. Push forward a little bit. That's it. Let's adjust the top of the neck. Rest. Put it down. Put it down. A little bit back. Let it go.
Damn.
Ready for the second?
Yeah.
This side. Drop back a little bit. Relax. Good. Clear it out. Let me have your hand. That's it. Beautiful. I want you to walk over here and back. Tell me how that feels.
100 times better.
Come back. Can you bend forward and backwards? Damn.
Yep.
Wow. Wow, look at that. Good job.
Thank you.
Great. That's breathe out. Breathe out.
My entire spine, I felt it this time.
All the way down
Yeah, to my tailbone.
to adjust it today.